everyone. Welcome back to the English Hub. I'm Sam, and here we learn English in a fun and easy way. Today, we have a special dialogue for you. We'll see how someone books a hotel for vacation and asks about the hotel's facilities. You'll learn useful words and phrases for traveling. So let's start and have fun learning together.
Hello. Good morning. Is this the Mountain View Resort?
Good morning. Yes, this is Mountain View Resort. How may I help you today?
I want to ask about room availability. I'm planning a vacation at your hill station.
Sure. May I know your travel dates?
I'm planning to visit from the 12th to the 16th of next month.
Let me check. Yes, we do have rooms available during those dates.
Great. Can you please tell me what types of rooms you have?
Of course. We have three main types: standard room, deluxe room, mountain view suite.
What is the difference between them?
The standard room is simple and budget-friendly. The deluxe room is bigger and includes a small balcony. The mountain view suite has the best view of the hills, a living area, and a private balcony.
Wow, that sounds nice. Which one do people usually prefer?
Most guests love the mountain view suite because of the beautiful sunrise view.
Okay. Now, can you please tell me about your hotel facilities?
Sure, we offer free Wi-Fi, hot water 24/7, room heating, complimentary breakfast, a restaurant with indoor and outdoor seating, a small gym, a games area. Free parking.
Do you also have a fireplace room?
Yes. We have a shared lounge with a fireplace. Many guests love to sit there in the evening.
Nice. What about laundry service?
Yes, we provide laundry service with extra charges.
Safety is important for me. Is the hotel safe?
Absolutely. We have 24-hour security, CCTV cameras, and a front desk that stays open all night.
And cleanliness? I'm very particular about that.
We follow strict cleaning rules. Every room is sanitized before check-in, and housekeeping is available daily.
Great. That is good to know. What kind of food do you serve in the restaurant?
We serve both local traditional food and international dishes. Breakfast is complimentary, and lunch and dinner are a la carte.
Do you have room service?
Yes, room service is available till 11 p.m.
Nice. Do you offer any special food for kids?
Yes, we have a kids menu with mild and simple dishes.
Can you honestly tell me the pros and cons of your hotel?
Of course. I want you to know everything clearly. Pros: beautiful hill view, quiet and peaceful location, friendly staff, very clean rooms, fireplace lounge, walking tracks nearby, safe environment.
These sound good. What about the cons?
Cons: we are 15 minutes away from the main market. The road gets foggy at night. Wi-Fi may be slow during peak hours. Limited mobile network in some rooms.
Thanks for being honest. That really helps.
We want our guests to know everything before the booking.
Now let's talk about the price. How much does the Mountain View Suite cost per night?
It's $120 per night, including breakfast.
That's a little high. Do you offer any discounts?
Yes, if you stay for more than 3 nights, you get a 10% discount.
Okay, that sounds good. How far is your hotel from the bus station?
Receptionist: around 20 minutes.
Do you have a pickup service?
Yes, we can arrange a taxi for you. Charges depend on distance.
Do you also help with guided tours?
Yes, we can connect you with local guides for sightseeing.
What is your check-in and check-out time?
Check-in is at 2 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m.
Can I get an early check-in?
If the room is available, yes. Otherwise, we keep your luggage safely.
What about cancellation?
Free cancellation 48 hours before check-in.
All right, I think I will book the Mountain View Suite.
Wonderful. May I have your name, contact number, and email?
Sure, my name is Sam Parker. My phone number is 555-376-9001, and my email is samparker@gmail.com.
Your booking is confirmed from the 12th to the 16th. You will receive an email shortly.
Thank you so much for your help. You answered everything very clearly.
It was my pleasure. We look forward to welcoming you to Mountain View Resort.
So friends, this was a full hotel booking conversation. We hope this helps you learn English for real travel situations. If you enjoyed this lesson, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.